Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about Samsung's monthly/weekly updates for the Samsung Galaxy devices. Now, right before we get into this video, I did want to highlight some cool earbuds from Litme. If you guys haven't seen it already, I have the links in the description box for you guys for some nice open ear headphones. Litme, a pair of cozy fit open-eared headphones here to provide you some very quality sound that still allow you to be aware of your surroundings. And what's nice about these is they provide 8 hours on a single charge and 30 hours with the charge case, ensuring that you get quality bass, and that is ensured by Bluetooth 5.4. Paperwork, which is the manual. You also get a cable, and it's a nice light case, all black, USB-C charging. Open them up, there they are. Let's see. Nice and glossy. Press and hold your touch sensitive button right here to actually power these on and off. Come to the phone, go to Bluetooth, and in Bluetooth you're gonna see them pop up down here at the bottom. Litme Cozy Fit, and they sound very, very good. So yes, shout out to Litme for sending those out and really sponsoring this video. Now, again, what are we talking about here? Well, if we jump in here, we know that Samsung often updates their apps, whether it's the Galaxy apps or even the device themselves with firmware updates. Now that this is September 4th, 2024, I do have the remainder of apps that were updated towards the end of August and now into September that I wanted to show you guys. And I wanted to highlight some things about updates that we should start seeing rolling out for the Galaxy S24 devices in terms of One UI 6.1.1 and One UI 7 on the horizon. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is updates. And actually, let's check to see if a September update actually came in. We're going to see right here live on camera. No update yet. All right. And we're also going to check to see if there's any updates in regards to the Google Play system updates. Probably not, but we always want to check to make sure there is a 76 megabyte option. So before we actually install that, let's actually talk about the other updates because I only got about 6% left, as you guys can see right there. So we're going to see if we can fly through this and update after the fact. So let's go ahead and actually jump into my gallery so that way I can show you guys via my screenshots what updates we have. So earlier, a few weeks ago, Lockstar was updated, and as you guys can see, they fixed the issue of the clock display and editing in the Lockstar for the Flip 6, and other errors were improved. You also see supported devices upgraded to the One UI 6.1, and so this may also be a hint at One UI 6.1.1 as well, but Lockstar was updated. We also have the Samsung Health Monitor. The ECG feature was updated for the Health Monitor app. It's always good to see Samsung update their health features because some of us actually like using them and actually use them as kind of like a barometer test for our overall health, and being able to trend our data in this way really lets us know where we're at, what are we on track to make or meet specific goals, just to see how our bodies are progressing. So it's good to see that being updated. You also have Find My Mobile that was updated. As usual, they're improving the networks, improving GPS, improving the locale or the ability to locate our devices. So good to see that was updated. And Audible for Samsung, if you guys use Audible, I don't think it's that much of a difference between for Samsung and then for the one out of the Google Play Store. But we see here that bug fixes and improvements were done to improve your experience with Audible. Samsung Health was also updated. And we see here that manage your daily wellness by your energy score and improve your energy health with personalized tips. Set your health focus and get useful advice on how to achieve your personal or personalized goals. And the AGES or AGES index gives you an indication of your metabolic health, which reflects your overall biological aging process. I like that feature. Of course, you're going to have to wear your Galaxy Watch Ultra or the Galaxy Ring, I believe, as well. Either one of those you have to wear on a consistent basis and really wear them to sleep, because that's how it's determining your metabolic health is through your sleep. So keep that in mind when wanting to, examine or check out your ages, your metabolic health. You're going to have to wear a Galaxy device to sleep in order to trend that properly. And then the continuity service was improved, meaning, whenever you have different devices and you want to be able to send that or transfer that information, like the Samsung Internet Explorer, if you pull up the Recents app on your tablet, potentially another phone, but really a tablet or a laptop, you're able to pull that same Internet Explorer tab from your phone or tablet on the other device. So it's good to see that this gets improved as well. And then we also have the one hand plus operation. And notice here, they removed unsupported features such as Smart Select, which is very strange, because why would you do that? That's actually a feature that I think a lot of people like to use, being able to select what you want on your screen to be able to screenshot. They removed that, and they fixed the issue of working during drag and drop, bug fixes, and stability improvements. So to give you an idea, if I swipe on over here, Smart Select is no longer an option. So that's strange as to why they would get rid of like the best feature about Smart Select with one hand operation plus. I don't understand why they would do that. Then you have Samsung My Files and the Interpreter app. Both of those also improve. So your File Explorer app finally getting some additional little small fixes, improvements, maybe some speed improvements. Your Interpreter app also getting fixed. Again, optimizing the ability to translate language in real time, to be able to have conversations and break language barriers. I'm glad that that is taking place there. And then the clock just recently today got an update which integrated the alarm, timer, stopwatch widgets on the cover screen as a clock widget. So this sounds like this is something for like the Flip 6. And then change the beep sound to repeat when an alarm or timer rings during a call. Improve the world clock map screen in dark mode. So it's good to see that they're continually improving and fixing things for the flip and foldables in Samsung's world. Now, in terms of any other apps, and you see I'm now dropped down to 5% after showing you guys that. In terms of anything else, as you guys see, I have a new layout from my Galaxy S24 Plus after just showing you guys my setup that was more purplish. But as you guys can see, Samsung is staying top of upgrading their apps. You never have to have that problem with their app support. And here, if this hopefully cuts back on, I'm imagining this might be, if not August, the August Google System Play update. Maybe September, but there might be too much hopeful thinking there. But I would imagine this should be the August Google Play System update, especially being that big at 76 megabytes. So once this updates, we'll get back to it. Otherwise, you guys will see or experience yourself when you update and then restart your phone, as I'm about to do here. You'll have this available on your device as well. So let me know down in the comment section below. Are you guys enjoying your Samsung Galaxy S24 device? I can also let you guys know and give you a quick update in terms of that YouTube issue. It does not appear to be happening anymore. After I turned the phone off, I cut it back on. I actually entered the bootloader to clear the cache partition and then allowed it to reboot. And then I also went into my deep sleeping apps to confirm YouTube wasn't in there, so that way there was not a weird contradictory setting taking place between using the app and the phone being confused as to why the app is being used. So I made sure that it was enabled, that it had its permissions. I did all that to make sure that this would work. And since I've done all those things, YouTube has been working with no problems. I have not experienced any weird battery drainage issues when using YouTube, which is very, very good. It only starts to get a little warm once you hit that, under 10%, just because it seems like it doesn't really want to work like that anymore and wants to be charged. So it's good to see that took place and that I'm not having issues with my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus any longer. So I didn't want to give you guys that update too here real quick. And if we come into settings, as we waited for that to update, if we come on in here to security and privacy, we check here. Yep, we are now on the August 2024 security patch. Is there another update? Nope, that is a full update. So good to see that we don't have those issues there. And we are now completely up to date. Samsung Health is letting you know that it is back up and running, and I'm at 3%. So again, the comment section is open for discussion in regards to how you guys have been in terms of your Samsung apps, your phone apps in general. Do you keep them updated? Are you looking forward to specific features? In terms of One UI 6.1.1, it should start rolling out this month for the Galaxy S24 series, and One UI 7 should start rolling out late October for the S24 series. It looks like there may not be a beta. Also, I have not heard anything in terms of any beta processes. So interesting that they won't have a beta. But it's also noteworthy to see that Samsung is moving that much faster and being able to drop Android 15 with One UI 7 on top of it a whole lot faster than they have in times past. That's one of the issues we used to have with Samsung, was they were very late to the game. By the time you got the update, the next update was already ready to come out. And so it's good to see that we should see One UI 7 in this same year and closely following the official Android 15 release, which took place either yesterday or today, I believe. So again, you guys looking forward to Android 15/One UI 7, One UI 6.1.1. Comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, you guys haven't already, make sure to ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. It's all free. That way it's for videos, so you and I can sit back, chat, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super thanks button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's the way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. It's been Micah signing out. Until the next video. Wait for it.